Women in the congregation. Question 8. Why do men and women pray together in the Jamatkhana? Answer. You should either show or recite that Quranic verse in which congregational prayers, including both men and women, are unlawful or prohibited or disliked. Or you should prove that during the blessed time of the Prophet, Muslim women were not going to the mosque. The manners and pillars, Adabu Arkan of Islam, are not only for men but apply to women also. Those who want to keep women away from the place of worship on the grounds that because of their presence, carnal soul, nafs ammara, becomes more arrogant, then such people should, becoming hermits, abandon society and go to some jungle. For the interruption in prayer is not only to the presence of women, but there are so many other causes whose overall remedy is called mujahadai nafs, struggle against the carnal soul, and taqwa, fear of God. That means that one should fight against the carnal soul and choose piety, and does not mean that one should expel and exclude one or more things from the world and society.